ahead, like no problem.
Yeah.
Right? Not afraid at all. That's a great cat right there.
Hey! You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
So I opened the door, and the bitch came out. She was like, "You won't get your ass in here right now." I'm gonna play it.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Like what?
Please be patient. None of her co-workers at the Biscuit Bakery showed up today.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're right.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal. You gotta kill somebody.
Are you on drugs? I don't like when you do this. Beep. Beep. What's your motive? Oh my god, look at our wedding invites.
Becky, be careful! Oh! But so! Yeah!
Oh my freaking George, no! Is that why you're so hyper? You've been sticking your paw in my coffee.
I would like to see the baby.
I touched my cat, and she thought it was the other cat.
Hey! You break them, you buy them, and you don't make any money.
Say woof. Woof.
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment. I literally saw someone tossing their cat up to the ceiling, and every time the cat knew to, you know, grasp its paws once it got up to the ceiling. Like,
Excuse me. Need to borrow these? Hello? Need to borrow these?
Soup.
All orange cats share one single brain cell.
Oh, hi. What are you doing?
Calcifer did not have it this day.
Come here.